Ready to upgrade your free time? Let's take a look. This is Lisa from Southern Idaho RV and Marine. We are a locally owned and operated dealership right here in Jerome, Idaho, and this is a 2018 Pacific Coachworks Tango 27 FSB, and this is a just under 30-foot long bumper pull toy hauler. It comes with storage in the front to haul all your gear, outdoor speakers, a tandem axle, power awning, a 14-foot garage, a 20-gallon fuel station for the generator with 175 hours on it, and 2 large patio lights. Inside, it has an entertainment center with a quality sound system, 2 jackknife couches that fold out to a bed, a power lift bed, and a movable table for multiple configurations. The overhead storage allows for all of your gear to be stored there, including helmets. In the kitchen area, it has a generator startup available, utensil drawers, and storage under the double porcelain sink. Also, overhead storage above the sink. We have a microwave, a vent hood, 3-burner range top and oven. Southern Idaho RV and Marine offers nationwide delivery for all sales, and easy financing is available. We are a locally owned and operated, family-owned and operated dealership that specializes in RV service. And this unit has been fully inspected by our technician to verify all plumbing, propane, and electrical systems are functioning properly. Upon purchase, we will walk you through the entire trailer to show you how everything works so you feel confident and ready to roll. For your comfort and convenience, we have a dual thermostat system, a bathroom with linen storage under the sink, and a tall shower, porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, and the front bedroom with a walk-around bed, mirrored wardroom doors, and overhead storage. So give us a call at Southern Idaho RV and Marine with any questions or to reserve this unit today, because at Southern Idaho RV and Marine, all that's missing is you.